Good evening, friends. Look at the market price. Bitcoin is now 31,000 and Ethereum is already crossed $1,000. We all know that Bitcoin has climbed to the all-time high 34,000 it has crossed and now taking a bit rest, but it will not last long. It will start uptrend running again, and many experts are sharing the point that Bitcoin may cross $100,000 by 2021. Once again, I am repeating, Bitcoin may cross $100,000 by 2021. But it is, you may get a bit shocked by hearing this news, but I am sharing the more shocking news right now. So fasten your seatbelt and just listen what I am going to say, and why I am going to say, I will explain it later. Look at that Ethereum. Ethereum just crossed $1,000 today. So there is a possibility. Experts are expecting Ethereum may cross $50,000 by this year. Yes, it's true. Ethereum may cross $50,000. Why they are expecting so? You know that there are lots of DeFis and NFTs have launched launched as a dApp in Ethereum market. So those are growing hugely. As they are growing, so Ethereum is becoming the home of investors. Ethereum is the home of developers. So investors are trying to invest their money on this cryptocurrency. As Ethereum is the father of smart contract, there are few other coins who are using smart contract like Tron and other things. But Tron, apart from Ethereum, Tron is also a popular coin. I'm coming to that point later. But right now, what Ethereum may do, Ethereum is now showing lot of fundamental things and lot of fundamental strengths that it has. It was not updated, it was not shown till now, but right now it has been shown, and developers as well as investors are jumping on it, and literally they are making this thing a new home, and they will make this Ethereum to the moon. This is going to be happen very very soon. So, and one thing some people are asking, that is it too late to buy cryptocurrency? I would say no, it's never too late to buy cryptocurrency, because Bitcoin will definitely cross 100k dollar. So in compared to 100k dollar, it's only 31k right now, and Ethereum will cross 100k eventually. If not right now, they are going to go uptrend very very soon, just because of, I told you, dApp and NFTs. Those DeFi thing are very very important for finance, decentralized finance thing. They are yielding interest. There are so many staking things, borrowing, lending, all the things are there. And moreover, that NFT is a very interesting point. I will discuss in later any day. I will make you understand what the NFT things is. I hope all of you, most of them who are listening, most of you are already known about NFT, but still I will discuss later. Well, this Ethereum, of course, it will go high and high. Now what the other coin may explode this 2021, I am going to explain those. This Theta is a very good coin to earn passive income. You can earn daily passive income. So that, for that reason, you have to have some good number of Theta. You can see it's going to 99.99 0.8 and it will go up to $1. That is the Theta's range, as this is a stable coin. And the difference what it is doing, if you are Indian sorry, if you are Indian, if you are WazirX, if you sell Theta at higher level, suppose 78 rupees or 77.8 or 77.9, and if you are going to buy at 75 or 74, that difference of 3 to 4 rupees on every Theta you will earn. It's not a daily basis, I must not say, but eventually you can get this difference in regular basis. So whenever you get this difference, you just sell at the higher rate and buy at the lower rate, and you will get a steady income. Why I am saying steady income? Because Theta will never drop huge or it will never go up hugely. So it's a security. There is a security that you will earn quite steadily, not hugely but quite steadily, and almost everyday basis. Now what are the other coins? It may go up. Of course XRP will go up. Who are now selling XRP out of the panic of SEC charge? Yes, there is a point to be panicked, but it's already, we know that SEC already charged EOS and they settle out to SEC out of the court. And even in this scenario also I am expecting, and all the world's cryptocurrency experts are expecting, that a XRP will be live again. And one point I must let you know, that SEC has charged Ripple. Ripple is the company who has produced XRP. XRP is the product. So there is a difference, that XRP and Ripple. Well, if Ripple leave the hand of XRP, XRP can still live, means can go without the hand of Ripple. First point of that. Second point is SEC, US Securities and what is that? I have forgotten. US Securities that charged against Ripple US company, but XRP is worldwide. So there are already a set of rule that has been how to use Ripple, how to use XRP in Japan, in England, in Singapore. They are already set of rules are there, so it won't happen anything at all. And only some company, some Binance US or some US exchanges has delisted XRP, but XRP is very much there in the out of US exchanges. You may find in WazirX or any other exchanges that XRP is still alive, and it will go strong eventually, and it will cross $1 in this year. I predict that XRP will cross $1 by 2021. Another coin is Litecoin. It will go up, but remember the name of this coin, Polkadot, DOT. This coin will explode hugely this year. Very much this coin will explode hugely. Another coin is Cardano. It went to the lower level of the it went to the back level of this ranking, but now it has come up and now it's on 8th rank. But this coin will explode very soon. And what are the other coins? Chainlink, there is a possibility. Of course, Binance coin is doing good and it will do good. And another coin is, look at this coin, Stellar. This will definitely explode this year. And my one of the favorite coin is Tron. This will do good. Definitely this will do good. One of the main reason is it has that smart contract thing, and which coin is having that specification, it must explode. And nowadays you may have know that NFTs are becoming very familiar to Tron as well. So it's just a matter of time when Tron will explode. And you all know that, where is that coin? Yeah, Dogecoin. Last 7 days 102% uptrend. It's huge increase in the market, so you can expect some good future of this coin. There are few other coins, Aave, Neo, those are very good. And DAI, this is another stable coin. It is obviously the same thing. It may happen with USDT, though USDT is more popular than DAI. So those coin may explode this year. Whatever I am expecting that the first coin will explode is Ethereum, and it will cross all the boundaries very soon. Here I am concluding. You don't forget to let me know what is your notion, and if you think that I missed out any coin, you please add it in the comment section. And if you differ with my opinion that this coin may not explode this year, you may write that also. Here I am concluding. Bye bye. Take care.